All right, y'all, we got our Italian green beans in a pot along with chicken broth and our smoked turkey necks here, our smoked turkey necks, our chicken broth, and our Italian cut green beans. So we're gonna bring this up to a boil, then we're gonna reduce the heat and let it simmer. So all of that flavor from the chicken broth and the flavor from the smoked turkey necks can be absorbed into those green beans. So that's the plan. So we're gonna put the lid back on here, bring this up to a boil, and then reduce it and let it simmer. Hey y'all, here are the Italian cut green beans with the turkey necks and cooked in chicken broth. I decided to put garlic powder in these, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some garlic powder. Have some garlic green beans. And that's all that I'm thinking I'm gonna put in it, at least for now. And we'll wait till these get up to a boil. All right, y'all, take a look, guys. The green beans have come to a boil, so I'm going to reduce the heat, put it on low, and let it simmer. Hey y'all, so I just tasted our green beans here. Let me bring y'all in the huddle. Those are the green beans right there. We got green beans, Italian cut green beans cooked in chicken broth with smoked turkey necks. And I sprinkled some garlic powder in there. I just tasted them, and the turkey necks did what they were supposed to do. These green beans are so infused with flavor. Delicious.